Today I wanted to show you a gift idea that is unique and good for those people that are really hard to buy for. So my sister-in-law is just this wonderful person that means the world to my family. So we wanted to do something really nice for her. Now, a while ago her mother passed away, and her mother just meant the world to her. So I had her sister send me a letter from her mom that had her signature on the bottom. And I created this vinyl from the signature. And I'll show you how I do that so you can make your own real easily as well. And I'll be making a sign out of it. So let's get started. So I took the image that was sent to me and I enlarged it. And I'm going to open up Cricut Design Space, create new project, and click on the upload button. Then I'm going to upload an image, go to browse and find my image, which is actually on my desktop. Then I'm going to click on moderately complex. And here what I'm going to do is choose the select and erase tool, and I'm going to click on anything that I do not want as my image, and then click continue. And I'm going to choose the save as a cut. Then I'm going to click upload and insert image. Now from here I'm just going to put it where I want it and resize it to the size that I want it. And I'm actually going to copy it so I can make two of them. Then I go over to the miter saw and I'm going to cut my 1x6. Then I'm going to use Rust-Oleum chalk paint. I found that this works the absolute best. And I'm going to do 2 light coats, making sure to let it dry in between. And then I'm going to sand it down to a smooth finish. Then I'm going to take my vinyl and I removed out the lettering, and I'm going to put on transfer paper on the top. Then I just lay it out as straight as I can on my boards. And using black chalk paint, I'm going to do a light coat of paint. And I won't allow too much time for this to dry, just enough time to put paint on the other side, so it'll be about 80% dry. Then I'm going to go back and do a second really light coat just to cover everything, and I'm going to remove that vinyl immediately afterwards. Then using a tweezers or some sort of tool, go ahead and remove out pieces that you don't want in there. Then I'm going to go back to my miter saw and cut out my framing pieces. These are out of 1x2s, and you will want to cut these to fit your sign. I will put down the measurements that I used in the description below, but like I say, make sure you cut those to fit. Then using wood glue, you're going to glue all the edges. And go ahead and hold your sign together with clamps. And I'm using 1-inch brads. And you'd think this would be self-explanatory, but since I put a nail through my thumb doing this exact thing not long ago, I thought I'd explain a little bit about this. When you're nailing these together, you don't want your thumb too close to where your nail gun is, because occasionally when your nail goes through, it can shoot out the side and come through and hit your finger. So keep your fingers down kind of below or just any other area, or trust in that clamp to hold it together, but don't put those fingers right by where the nail could shoot out the side and get your finger.